Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 97 and this episode about the fake news part 2. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the 3 main points about the fake news. Number 1. What is fake news? Number 2. What are the purpose of fake news? And number 3. Which sources fake news are created or disseminated? Point number 1. What is fake news? The term fake news doesn't have a fixed definition. The most suitable definition is fake news is a false or misleading information presented as a news. Fake news has also been called junk news, false news, hoax news, or alternative facts. In the age of social media and different challenges of sharing the information on internet, it is very easy to share the fake news or fake information to audience. Point number 2. What are the purpose of fake news? There are 4 main purposes of the fake news. Number 1. Repetition. Number 2. Money making. Number 3. Audience retention. Number 4. Political polarization. Point number 1. Reputation. Fake news often has aimed the damage and the reputation of a person, family, organization, or group of companies. Number 2. Money making. The another purpose of the fake news, making money through advertising or revenue. Number 3. Audience retention. Another purpose of fake news to retain the audience for the fame and helpful for the increase of viewership in the age of social media trolling or viral of different types of video. Number 4. Political polarization. Fake news also is spread for the political gain and political point scoring. Sometimes it is also used for the political polarization. Point number 3. Which sources fake news are created and disseminated? There are different sources where fake news are created and spread. However, social media and website are the main source of creation of fake news and dissemination of fake news. Number 1. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the main source where fake news are created and disseminated very frequently. Due to this, WhatsApp administration and change the policy time to time for the forwarding of the fake news or fake information to control and handle the spreading of fake news. Number 2. Facebook post feeds are troll very common medium where fake news are created and spread through this medium and share to the various group and pages. Number 3. Twitter. Twitter is another social media where fake news are created through tweets, spread through retweet. 4. Instagram. Instagram is also medium where tampered video, movies are shared and forwarded. Fake websites. Fake websites are also source of fake news where fake and unverified information are posted. That's end of the episode number 97. In this episode, I discussed 3 main points about the fake news. What is fake news and what are the purpose of fake news and the sources where fake news are created and disseminated. Stay connected and I will back soon with another informative source. Thanks for watching till the end.